In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on Todoist quickly and easily. Now, Todoist does not currently have a built-in font size slider for standard task lists, so the best way to make everything bigger is by using your system zoom shortcuts. This is a super simple trick, and it can make a huge difference if the text feels too small on your screen. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Todoist in your browser or desktop app. Once you're on your Todoist screen, look at the text size you're currently working with. If it feels too small, the easiest way to increase it is to zoom in on your screen. On most Windows computers, you can press Ctrl and plus at the same time. So that means hold down the Control key, then press the plus key to make everything larger. You may need to press it more than once depending on how much bigger you want the interface to appear. As you zoom in, you'll notice that the Todoist text, buttons, menus, and task lists all become easier to read. This is because you're not changing a specific font setting inside Todoist itself. Instead, you're increasing the overall screen size, which makes the entire app more readable. That's why this method works so well when you want a larger display without needing any special settings. If you ever want to reduce the size again, you can use Ctrl and minus to zoom back out. And if you want to return everything to normal quickly, just press Ctrl and 0. That will reset your zoom level back to the default view. On Mac, the shortcut may be a little different depending on your browser or app, but the same idea applies. Use the system's zoom controls to enlarge the display. This is especially useful if you spend a lot of time organizing tasks, checking deadlines, or managing projects in Todoist, and you want a more comfortable viewing experience. It can also help reduce eye strain and make navigation feel much easier. So just to recap, Todoist does not have a separate font size option for task lists, but you can still make the text larger by using your system zoom shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl++ to increase the screen size, and that will make Todoist easier to read right away. It's fast, effective, and works in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.